Popcorn making is that little business you can start with as little capital as 2,000 naira and still make extra 3,000 naira within 2 hours if you have the customer base. Yes, you heard me right. In this guide, I will teach you how to pop any kind of corn, be it caramelized, plain popcorn, or even a rainbow popcorn. No popcorn machine needed, except your pot and your stove. Watch this video to the end and suffocate hardship with your skills. To begin, we'll be using oil, which I've dropped in a pot. You can also do this with melted margarine or butter. Now for this recipe, we'll be using foreign popcorn, and this is how it looks like. Now at this point, my pot is already seated on the heat, but the oil is not yet hot. Then I dropped the unpopped corn in the pot, covered the lid and allowed to pop. And a minute later, the corn started popping, just like so. Wow! You can imagine how beautifully this corn were able to pop even without the aid of the popping machine. And as a result, everything popped completely, leaving no single corn unpopped. Wow, this is amazing. Did you hear that crispy sound? Okay, let's pop some more. Drop your oil in the pot. Follow soon by the addition of our popcorn, which is of the foreign origin. Stir around the pot to allow evenly distribution of the oil. Round about the popcorn, then cover the lid and allow to pop. This is amazing. This is one business that does not require stress. Even a lazy person can do this. No equipment needed and no involvement of huge capital investment, yet there's a lot of profit. Anyway, let's add our sugar jarry. So at this point, I have to reduce the heat so that the sugar doesn't caramelize. If you want a caramelized popcorn, do not bother about reducing the heat and the corn will caramelize. But what we're making is a rainbow popcorn. We will want every single color in our rainbow to appear beautifully well. Wow, look at that. So beautiful, colorful and big as well. So I'll quickly detach this from the heat and allow to cool as we prepare our syrup for our rainbow color. In another pot, I go in with some oil, and to the oil I'll be adding some water as well. Now my vanilla flavor comes in next and sugar follows suit. Please note that if you're making rainbow popcorn, please do not bother adding sugar while the corn is on the heat. This is where you will add sugar while making your syrup. Okay, so I stirred it around and allow to boil. After boiling, detach from the heat source and divide it according to the number of colors you may want to use. So for our rainbow, we'll be using blue, yellow and pink. It is not limited to these colors. You can use red, pink, any color that entices your customers. So stir this around, then transfer each of the components of our rainbow color into a bigger bowl that will allow us to mix. Please note that these colors are liquid food color, not any other color. You can always get yours in the market. Okay, so I'll put in my popcorn into the syrup, and after mixing, it looks like this. It didn't end here, but before we continue, let's mix other colors. But meanwhile, I think our purple is looking beautiful. To our yellow, I added my syrup and my popcorn and mix with my hand. Now, if you're making a popcorn of a rainbow origin that involves the use of syrup, you have to be very careful that you don't overmix with the liquid to avoid spoilage. Okay, now to the blue I mix as well, after which I'll pour into a tray as well so they all get dried at the same time. Look at how beautiful all these colors comes out to look like. Please tell me which of these colors is your favorite. I still have the white color which is not left behind. I'll also keep it aside. Of course, now what is the rainbow without the white? Look at the way everything is looking, so beautiful, so colorful, looking amazing. So what I will do now is to dry it. If you have a good sun, you can spray them lightly in different trays and allow to dry. Otherwise, you can put it in the oven, which I did. I put mine in the oven, and as soon as the oven is heated up, I removed it and spread out to dry out immediately. Please do not neglect this drying process. It's so important as it controls the shelf life of your popcorn. To get the rainbow, I mixed all the color together, giving it a beautiful combination. Now to package, I'll be using this nylon that has a seal on it already. So I've already portioned the popcorn, add them to my leather and seal immediately. Yes, I hope you learned something from this video. Please, if you do, you can help me by sharing this so that other people can see this goodness. And please, if you like this video as well, don't leave without giving us a thumbs up, and also remember to tell us how these videos are helping you. It goes a long way. Thank you, my followers. Thank you, my subscribers. Welcome to Salpe's Kitchen, and see you in the next one. Bye.